from the A9. We're in Scotland. I'm heading up. I don't really want to say it like this. This is going to be such an anticlimax. Going up, me and 3 of my lovely buddies are going up to Scotland to ride the North Coast 500, and it's peeing it down. This is not the way I had it in my head. I was expecting like beautiful sunshine and like, I don't know what I was thinking. So I just thought I would fill you in on what we're doing, where we're going. We're heading up, we're probably about 2 and a bit hours away. Look over here. Probably about 2 and a bit hours away from our destination, which is, yeah, I'll just tell you when we get there. But yeah, just the start of the North Coast 500, and it is wet and it is grim and it is miserable. But we've got our bikes, we will be riding them. So yeah, so about 2.5 hours I think to Inverness. So I guess I will see you in a little bit. Oh.
The location you expecting?
No, it's not. And I'm going to show you a little bit more about it in a minute, but we are in a motorhome for the week. So our lovely friend Sarah is going to be driving it. Myself, Richard and Greg are going to be riding the route, and the forecast for the next few days doesn't look that good, so fingers crossed. Send me some nice positive thoughts for sunshine and dry roads and no wind. Currently looking for bread for snacks.
It's just like using a toilet on a coach or something.
We're here! It's 10:30. We better be quiet because all the neighbours have been rubbernecking. Did you see him? Did you see him looking out? So I'm just getting a little hookup. I want to show you what we've travelled up in tomorrow because it's just late and we'll give you the full experience in the morning. Good morning. Today was meant to be the first day of the adventure on the North Coast 500, but it's absolutely hammering it down. So we're gonna take a rain check, and instead we're gonna, I'm not even tell you where I'm going, but we're going to probably one of the most, would you say it's the most Scottish thing that you could probably do?
Possibly.
What do you reckon, Sarah? Where we're going to go, is it the most Scottish thing you reckon? It's up there.
So that's us, and that's the warning. It's supposed to clear tomorrow. This is now rain.
It's 20k from my parents to the top of the climb.
That's the climb.
That's the climb, yeah. That one, over to Applecross. This is going to be an amazing path.
What's the peak then? Where's the peak then?
Here.
It's flat. Oh, I see. So that's
yeah,
the descent to Applecross.
Bar, that's where it's actually the summit there.
So just sat in because it's still raining. It is about 4 o'clock and it's meant to dry up. We are going to head out to the very Scottish place very soon. Well, after we've just done a bit of route planning for tomorrow. It is meant to dry up tomorrow, isn't it? Isn't it? It's meant to be dry.
Yes. Yeah, it's going to be dry.
Fingers crossed.
In the van tomorrow. No, outside.
Hope so. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. We'll get a good riding day in tomorrow. Fellas.
Completely dry.
Yay!
Where are we going? Tesco or Loch Ness?
Wow, that bloody hell. Look at those mountains over there. Welcome. This is Loch Ness. So today has just been obviously such a washout, and we're like, Loch Ness is about a 20-minute drive. Let's spend the day, well, coming to Loch Ness. We're going to have tea outside here and just, yeah, get to see Loch Ness. It is, oh my god, it is so stunning. Like, look at these views already. I'm like, this is going to be such an epic week. Is that Loch Ness?
Yeah.
Ah! Nessie! Oh, Nessie. So we are just sat having our tea at the side of the beautiful Loch Ness. This has been such a good day, and it was like a complete washout of a day. But I want to show you here while it's nice and quiet. As I say, there's a big car, like a load of cars coming past. The motorhome that we've got. So yeah, let me just show you because it is amazing. Look at this. Oh, just very quickly, Swiftgo have very kindly loaned us the motorhome for the week. So yeah, I've got to say a big thank you to them for just supporting this trip and this idea that we had to come around and do it in a motorhome. So yeah, Sarah will be driving the motorhome, myself, Greg and Rishi will be riding obviously the whole route, and then we'll meet up at lunch times and then at dinner, like tea times, and sleep in there. But yeah, look at this. Okay, so it is, I think it's 5 berth this one, but I'm going to show you this in a sec. Actually it's locked, but that is the garage and it's got our bikes in, which is amazing. So I'll show you that in the morning actually. But yeah, so this, oh hello, fancy seeing you in here. This is where we've just had our dinner, which is so nice because we've got Loch Ness out there. They had like a little Nessie.
Yeah, I saw that.
We've got, this is the kitchen. This is the bathroom. So we've got toilet, shower, it's a complete wet room. And I really like this fridge, fully stocked fridge. And then we've got 2 beds there, and then the other bed, so that's my bed, Richard's bed, and then this I'll show you later on, or maybe another time. This like pulls all the way down, it's a double bed. So yeah, what do you think to it? I know you're as excited as I am, aren't you, about it?
I'm really excited. I think it's amazing, especially the bed coming down.
It is
Magic.
It is magical, and we just get to bring all our stuff out. I wish I'd filmed it when we first got in, because there is a lot. It's definitely lived in now.
It's going to be such a good week. Like 4 friends, 3 bikes and a camper van.
Hello. Bit of ginger, bit of garlic. Good to go. I'll get us up the climb.